Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have some acrylic sign holders. These ones here are the ones that have like a single fold under, and they are 8.5 by 11, crystal clear, high strength, smooth, resistant falling. So I'm going to open this up here and I'll show you guys what they look like here. So inside of the box, we have some little rubber feet for them. So these are those little nubs that we can put on the bottoms of them. And then we have the acrylic sign holders here. So these are nice. These are going to be the simple, easiest way to use them. Some of those other ones you have to add like a bottom to or something like that to make them work. But this one here is just going to have everything all in one. But it looks like it's got a strap on it. So let me grab one out here. Okay, so this is what it looks like before I've done anything in there. And we got a whole bunch more of them in here. I'm just sticking them back in the box for now. So this is what it looks like here. So it says, actually look at that. It's got a little pull tab to pull off the plastic. Oh, I guess it didn't quite get it. Missed the side. There we go. Okay. So here we go. So this is what it's going to look like. So you can see, looks nice and clear, and nice little sign holder. And if I have a sign to put in it, I don't know if this is going to fit. I have to cut this down. Let me go. I'll just fold it over for right now. But so I have a sign that I want to put out in my hallway here. And so I can just go, and it's got the half fold on the bottom here. You can kind of see it's got that half fold, so you only have to put it in like this. It makes it easy to put something in there, and then I can just put my sign there. So there, now I've got a sign in the little holder, and it's good to go. So I have it laminated, so that's why I just have a weird sign. But you can just put a piece of paper in there. It looks like it's going to fit an 8.5 by 11-inch paper perfectly, and you are good to go. So how cool is that? So nice acrylic sign holders, and then these are going to stand up great, just there, and you're good to go. Thumbs up, very cool.